People ask me all the time how to boost their energy. Might be one of the most common things that I hear right now, besides how to deal with stress better. My answer and what I do is I have a really structured routine. Structure gives me freedom. It'll give you freedom too. So in the morning, right when I get out of bed, I slam a full glass of water, and then I come downstairs for my morning cup of bulletproof coffee. But first, the Dakota Detox. My mentors, Dr. Fred and Susan Schofield, taught this to me, and it works great. This simple daily detox requires just a tablespoon of powdered chlorella. You can do the other one. Half tablespoon of powdered chlorella, a half tablespoon of powdered psyllium hulls, and a half tablespoon of spirulina as well. I like to put it in a mason jar like this and shake it up really well before drinking it every single morning. Alyssa here has never done this before, so this is really exciting for both of us.
Can't wait.
Ready? I suggest just drinking the whole thing all at once. Slam it. Cheers.
Cheers.
That was delicious.
Yep.
This Dakota Detox gives you natural energy because it contains almost everything your body needs to survive. You could literally live on this stuff. It's good for digestion, detox, energy levels, appetite control, and it supports your immune system really well too. There's many other things you can read about on your blog, and I've done this every single morning for over 2 years. Alyssa's going to give it a shot for the next 30 days. To get the ingredients quickly, just hop on Amazon. I put together a list specifically for the Dakota Detox, so the list is going to be in the description of this video. Feel free to check out my other lists as well, but the one labeled Dakota Detox has the chlorella, spirulina, and psyllium hulls. This list also has tablets, so just make sure you get the powder for this specific drink. I like to take the tablets 30 minutes before lunch and dinner every single day. Or if you're really trying to detox, I would tell you that you can do this again in the evening. Just be ready for how it might affect your bowel movements. You might be more, might be less, just be ready for it. It's going to affect them though. So try it out. Hope you like it. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.